Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Akka Physics Jolly. In this video, we will discuss about 20 most interesting GK questions. I'm 100% sure that after watching this video, you will get a lot of knowledge from this video. So without wasting your time, let's start our video. First question is, which is the oldest game in India? A. Wrestling, B. Cricket, C. Hockey, or D. Kabaddi. And the correct answer is wrestling. And you should also know that wrestling was started in India since 7000 BCE. Now let's move toward second question. Ramayana is the national book of which country? Option A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Nepal, D. Thailand. And the correct answer is Thailand. Now our third question is very interesting. So let's move towards question number 3. In which country does the sun rises at night 12 o'clock? Option A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. Sweden. And the right answer option is C. Norway. Yes friends, the sun rises in Norway at night 12 o'clock. This is very interesting thing. And that's why Norway is also known as the land of midnight sun. And for your further kind information, Norway is a Northern European country. Now let's move towards question number 4. Whose car has no number plate in India? Option 1. A. President, B. Police, C. Collector, D. Prime Minister. And the correct option is A. President. Yes friends, there is no number plate on the car of President in India. Now, in which country ATM machine is not used? Option A. Monaco, option B. Eritrea, C. Vietnam, D. North Korea. And the correct answer is B. Eritrea. Yes friend, there is no ATM machine in Eritrea, and for your kind information, Eritrea is an East African country. Now our sixth question is, pink bananas are found in which Indian state? Option A is Assam, B. Goa, C. Sikkim, D. Manipur. And the correct option is A. Assam. Yes friends, there is bananas with color pink are found in Assam. Now question number 7. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? Option A. Crocodile, B. Dolphin, C. Penguin, and D. Blue whale. And the correct option is crocodile. Yes friends, crocodile is the animal which sleeps with one eye open. Our next question is, which gas keeps water cool in fridge? Option A. Ammonia, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, and D. Carbon dioxide. And the correct option is option A. Ammonia. Yes friends, ammonia is the gas which helps to cool the water in fridge or refrigerators, etc. Now next question is, which country has no template? Option A. Saudi Arabia, B. South Africa, C. Canada, and D. Australia. And the correct option is Saudi Arabia. Yes friends, Saudi Arabia is the only country in which world where there are no templates like mosques and churches. The next question is, how many times currency was banned in India? And the option A is 1 time, B 2 times, C 3 times, and D 4 times. And the right option is C 3 times. Yes, friends, the Indian currency was banned 3 times in past history. In the year 1946 and 1978, also in 2016. Now next question is very interesting. That WhatsApp is a company of which country? Option A, Japan, B, China, C, Korea, and D, America. So the right option is option D, America. Yes, friends. WhatsApp belongs to the United States of America. John Com and Brian Acton are the founders of WhatsApp. Its headquarters located in Mountain View, California. From 2009, WhatsApp was started to use. Now move towards next question. Which disease is caused by running a mobile phone? Option A, brain tumor, B, heart attack, C, eye pain, and D, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. The next question is, how much does smoking one cigarette shorten a person's life? Option A, 5 minutes, option B, 6 minutes, C, 11 minutes, and D, 10 minutes. And the correct option is option C, 11 minutes. Yes, friends, only one cigarette can shorten a person's life 11 minutes. So that's why you should quit the cigarette immediately. The next question is, which acid is sprayed in the house to prevent snakes? Option A, sulfuric acid, B, carbolic acid, C, nitric acid, and D, tartaric acid. And the correct option is B, carbolic acid. Yes, friends, snakes cannot tolerate the carbolic acid. That's why you should spread the carbolic acid in houses to prevent snakes. And you should know that carbolic acid is also known as phenol and its chemical formula is C6H5OH. Now move towards second question. And the other one question is, red color river can be found in which country? Option A is Venezuela, B, Germany, C, Vietnam, and D, Philippines. And the correct option is C, Vietnam. Next question is, which railway station is situated in 2 states? Option A, Chhatravati Shivaji Terminus, and B, Navapur Railway Station, and D, New Delhi Railway Station, and D, Howrah Junction Railway Station. And the right option B is Navapur Railway Station. Yes, friends, Navapur Railway Station in India lies between 2 states. One half of this station is situated in Tapi district of Gujarat and other half of this station is situated in Nandurbar district of Maharashtra. Now the next question is, which human organ continues to grow after death? Option A, bone, B, nail, C, eyes, and D, brain. And the right option is B, nails. Yes, friends, hair and nail are the organs that continues to grow even after death. Our next question is, which disease is occurred by eating salt bread? Option A, blood sugar, B, piles, C, asthma, D, diabetes. And the right option is option D, diabetes. Yes, friends, if we will add some salt in bread, we will be able to prevent ourselves from diabetes. Now move towards next question. How many years did it take to build the Great Wall of China? Option A, 2000 years, B 500 years, C 1000 years, and D 12 years. And the correct option is option A 2000 years. You should also know that Qin Shi Huang, first emperor of China, built this Great Wall of China around 220 BCE to protect themselves from foreign invasion. So friends, I hope you like this video and you will get a lot of knowledge from this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more informative videos.